In this video, we are going to talk about batch processing using the xTool S1. So let's start high level here. What is batch processing and why do you need to know how to do it? Let's say you want to make a coaster, a slate coaster, using your machine. But instead of just one, you want to make a whole bunch. And you'd like to put them all in your machine and make them all at the same time. That is batch processing. It's something you're probably going to want to do down the road, so why not learn how to do it? The S1 uses a multi-point positioning system to figure out where your material is in the machine, and then in the design software, you know where to place your design. Other machines like the M1 or the P2 use a camera to help you place your design. When the S1 first came out, you were only able to make one shape when you were using that multi-point positioning system. And because of that, you had to use a jig to do batch processing. It was definitely doable, it was just a little more involved. In December of 23, xTool made an awesome update to their software, and it has made batch processing so much easier. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. We're going to start with just 2 slate coasters here. So I'm going to place 2 of these slate coasters in my machine. Then I'm going to take that red crosshair from the laser and make sure it's just over the top of one of them. Now we can head over to xTool Creative Space. In Creative Space here, I am first going to measure the distance. With the distance measured, we can start marking our area. When you click Start Marking, you have a couple of different options that come up. We have 2 circle coasters in there, so that's the one I'm going to choose. Now, it tells you what to do up on the side, which is really nice, so just follow these prompts. We're going to go over to the machine. I'm going to place that crosshair on one point of the circle, and then 2 other points to create a triangle. Now our first coaster is marked. So we're going to hit end marking. And that little coaster is popped up onto the top here. Now we're not going to hit done. I'm going to go mark the second coaster. Second coaster is marked. I can hit end marking. Now I could go on and on like this if I had 10 coasters in there. Once I have all my pieces marked, I can hit done. And now on the canvas, I have both my coasters ready to go. So I can go ahead and add a design. And I can make all kinds of coasters in one pass. And that's all it takes to do batch processing. Add your design to all those circles and you can start pumping out coasters with your xTool S1. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and take a look at my xTool playlist. I have a ton of videos out there helping you get started and be successful with your laser. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.